how to add a custom domain in Netlify. Now, the method that I'm going to be showing you right now is the most generic and the most simple way of adding your pre-made domain or the domain that you newly purchased, wanting to be added it into Netlify. It's very easy. So the first things that you want to do is open up prefer the web browser and then head straight into your app Netlify. And then in here, make sure that you're already logged in into your account. Now at your left portion, you should be able to see a lot of options right here, like builds, extensions, domains, members, and so on and so forth. But what you want to do is to go into domain management settings. Simply tap or choose on domains here, and then you will be given an option to add or register domain. Now, since this is the most general tutorial topic that I'm going to be showing you, then you can either buy a new domain or add a new domain that you already own. If you choose on this one, you will be asked to input your domain or subdomain um, address from here. Once you've added it, it will be verified first if it is available or not. Once you've verified it, you will be redirected to add DNS records and activate your Netlify DNS. So that's it. It's how you add custom domain in Netlify.